Let's take a look at how to set up backups in Logmanager. You can start with setting up an SMB server ready to receive the backup files. The setup is quite simple, so get ready to follow these steps. Spin up a virtual machine running Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, install Samba from the repositories, and create a directory for the backups. Configure Samba using the standard config file. You should set the path and write permissions at a minimum. When you're done with the config, restart the smb service. Enable the firewall and allow Samba connections. Then, create a Samba password for your user. After you're finished with creating a working Samba server, you can configure Logmanager to use the server to store the backups. Navigate to System, Backup Restore. Fill in the username, password, URL, and the time of the periodic backup. Turn the automatic archive on and save the settings. After the first backup is created, you should be able to see your daily backups in the list below.